This is the new spadix. The other one I harvest already. So this plant is a blue velvet anthurium. I wrote it from a tiny seeds. That is another anthurium that I wrote from a seed as well. This is also another blue velvet that I wrote from seeds. Let me show you all the babies that I got from this blue velvet that I wrote from seed. In here I have 50 seeds and they are all rooting. It's just so cool to me to grow a plant from a seed to a mature plant and then back to seed. Many more baby plants after that. I would say don't hesitate to pollinate your anthuriums.